Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Nasim once again, and today I am going to show you how you can make passive income from YouTube without being on camera. Okay, so just imagine earning passive income on YouTube without even appearing on camera or recording your own voice. How cool that will be. Yeah, so that actually possible with AI technology. Creating professional video has never been easier. But today, AI can generate full-length video completely with realistic over visual and editing, also voice as well. So why you are stopping? Okay, so let's start today. So first of all, I just want to show you one example. This is the historian Sleepy. Okay, so if you follow the title, they actually are making the long form video, which is 2 hours almost plus. Okay, so this is pretty cool. So this is actually the sleeping story. So when this kind of video people actually play when they are going to sleep, so that's why this is very popular. Okay, and you can see this video, this is channel actually monetized, and if I show you how many they are making, according to Social Blade, they are showing us $500 to $8,000 they are making every single month, just uploading one single video every day. Okay, so this is crazy, right? So you can also make this kind of video from today if you follow my instruction, but please watch this video till the end, because end of this video I will show you without doing nothing how you can build a YouTube channel by helping our team. Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, just try to copy it. Okay, so this is boring history for sleep. Okay, so for making video, first of all we need a script, then we need the AI tools. So for creating the script, we will get the help of ChatGPT. Okay, so let's say I want to make video for YouTube, so I need a script. Okay, just write me, for example, I want to say 100 word for boring sleep story. Okay, just hit enter. You can see ChatGPT already started writing the script for me. How cool is this, right? So you can see this is writing. So if you need long video, of course you need the long script. So for example, I just using that because I need to make this video longer, so I don't want to waste your time. So how you can make the video? Okay, so don't worry, I will not show you any complicated or paid tools for making that. Only you just need to use the CapCut. Okay, in CapCut you will see AI video maker. Okay, just hit that, and this is AI video maker, and we will choose instant AI video. Just hit that and enter our script that we have copied. Just paste here, and we are going to pick the Roman art, for example. So this is the template. You can pick anyone, just I am picking Roman art, and then you can check the voice, so you can pick anyone that you love. Okay, so I just don't want to change anyone. Per case I can change this one, and then I'm going to hit create. You can see these tools already started for making video. So, and you can see the voiceover created. So already the voiceover is done, and now the media is generating these tools. Okay, so this is pretty cool. We need to wait few time for generating media, and don't worry, your video will complete with that. Okay, yes, the media generated, and here it is. You can see our video is ready. Just select
once upon a time in a town where absolutely nothing.
How cool, right? So if you want, you can change the voice. You will get very cool voice. I just randomly picked that one, so that's why the voice is not appropriate with this video, I think. But here is actually how you can generate video for this kind of. You can easily make the video by copying this channel. You can copy their title, you can copy their thumbnail, and you can run new channel, and when you will get monetized, you will get money every month. Okay, so guys, if you don't have too much time for doing this all the work for yourself, because here is some limitation in CapCut, you will not make 1 hour to 2 hour video in one single script. So that's why you have to make many part, and then you have to attach that part for making long video. So that's why I have a solution for you guys. So this is complete 1 hour AI video that if you get, like, you will get only $25. Okay, so this actually my website, and my team will help you to make 1 hour video every single day for your channel, and that will be complete for ready to you for published. Okay, ready for publish. So you can pick and try this one for one time, and you can check the quality. Okay, so my expert team will help you to make video every day. You just need to upload that, and even if you don't have time to upload that, my team will give you the YouTube managing service if you want, but that require extra charge. But mainly you can take this one. This is one video. You every day you can order this, and you will get the video within 8 hours of. Okay, so my team will start at work when you order and when you give the idea. Okay, so that's actually I wanted to show you how you can make money from YouTube passively without doing nothing by running boring YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much. If you found this video was useful, then hit that subscribe button, and if you want to see the next video, then you can like this channel. Okay, see you on the next one. Till then, bye, have a great day.